What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stanley, and I'm here with another video. On this video, I'll be breaking down a trade I just took, CHF Japanese yen. This is Swiss franc Japanese yen. This is actually the first time I'm taking this trade, this a trade on this pair. All right, and you can see how it's going. Oh, I'm short in here. All right, so I had a sell bias. I had a sell bias, and that's probably because I am trying to actually, yeah, I started studying um Elliot waves. I started studying about Elliot waves, and I want to like focus my trades on Elliot waves. You already know that Elliot waves are market structure. You understand? Like Elliot waves is in-depth market structure. You understand? So I want to know more about Elliot waves and study more about Elliot waves theory. I already tweeted that on my Twitter. You can check me out on my Twitter though. And I tweet about economics and lots of other nice stuff. Yeah. So I took this trade because of I believe that we are on a bearish trend. I'm going to go to on a daily time frame. Actually, these numbers you're seeing here are Elliott waves. For example, Elliott waves is like something like this. High, high, low. Elliott waves have five wave structures. Okay, so wave one, this is the motive wave. This is the correction, which is wave two. Wave three, which is another motive wave correction, which is wave four, and then wave five, which is another motive wave. So in Elliott wave, there are one, two, three. Wave one, wave three, and wave five are motive waves, and wave two and wave four are corrective wave. And there are different shapes of corrective wave, and there are different shapes of corrective waves on wave two and wave four. All right. On Elliott waves talks about that there are leading diagonals, triangles. There are lots of correction types on Elliott waves, the wave 2 and wave 4, which are corrective wave, which could be sometimes very tough to predict. Okay, so yeah, so and from this trade, from what I got here, I believe that we are in a downtrend on Elliott waves. Like this actually my like the lecture or I'm trying to like like learn it from also an expert too. And of course if you want to get knowledge you pay for it. So I paid something for that too, just to like to bring my head up, you know and I'm trying to sell because I believed there's something there's something I'm going to tell you. A professional trader said that sometimes, like where the community he has, that sometimes people tell him that the market has been going up, and they want to sell. And he will ask them, why do you want to sell? They will be like, because the market has been going up for a while, it's supposed to go down. Or sometimes if they want to buy, they will be like, the market has been going down. Now they want to buy. Permit me if I made a mistake. They will be like, if the market has dropped for so long, they will feel like the market will turn around because it has dropped for so long. And if the market has rallied up for so long, people would actually feel like this market has been up for a little while, for a long while, and it's supposed to be down. Okay, so that is the misconception about, but he always tells them that has the market given you um, a signal that it wants to go down? Okay, so it is one of the most important things about trading. Sometimes I get caught up in it, but like if the market has been up for a while, sometimes you might act and gives you like patterns, like sharp patterns that it's confirming that it wants to go down. It might give you all those patterns, then it will continue going up. You understand? It might, if it's going, if it's dropping, if the market has been dropping, it might give you a reversal pattern that it wants to continue now start going up, and you might want to now start buying, and it will reverse and then continue dropping. You understand? So in this situation, I feel like the dominance, the market dominance, the market dominance on the forces are still in place, which could be the buyers or the sellers. You understand? So I feel like that is actually what's happening in the market. And on this chart here, I felt like the market has been going up for a while, and with this drop, actually, yeah, I shouldn't have started selling already because I feel like this drop, that this is, remember what I said about this is for an uptrend, Elliott waves an uptrend, and this is a downtrend. This is for an uptrend. This is for uptrend, and this is for downtrend. So this is for downtrend. Okay, and this is with one correction, which is with two, with three correction, which is with four, and then with five, with one, with three, and with five are motive waves, and with two and with four are corrective wave. You understand? And actually, if you place this thing here like this, you will see that this correction seems like with two. You know what I'm saying? And that is why I really wanted to sell at this resistance. I'll still show you guys the resistance that I wanted to sell into. But I feel like maybe they want to give a setup and then go up again and take the stop losses. I don't know. But that is what I feel that we are in wave two. Remember, wave two is a corrective wave, and wave four is a corrective wave. So, for example, if the market wants to continue coming down like this, if the market wants to continue coming down, remember this is a downtrend of the Elliott wave, and I put this here, which looks like a correction on wave two. So that is why I sold. I sold here. This is why I sold. So I don't know. I had my conviction. I had a resistance here and waves too, but that is what I felt that and that is why I feel like the market should do. And it also breaks structure here to me. Yeah, though it did not close this week, did not close below this. Actually, I always want a break of structure to happen by the close of the candle, but there was no close of candle here, which is also, this is actually a major structure though. There's no close of candle here, and but I think there's a close of candle on a 4 hour, because I was actually, okay, there's no close of candle on a 4 hour. This is still the line here. Let's see if there was a close on 1 hour. Yeah, there was a close on 1 hour here. So I think that's is because of 1 hour. That's why I'm selling it. But and this is the resistance I had here. This is the resistance. I had a resistance here. Okay, so this is where I had my resistance, and trusting that the market should go down. Okay, because we are in wave two, which is a corrective wave here. So actually, yeah, I think I'm going to add one more position to my trade. I'll double trade, trying to, though it's not good adding to your losses, but I don't know why I'm feeling greedy. I think Elliott Waves is trying to make me greedy, and this candle don't have a power week. I'm trying to put on my, I think my magic key is okay, it's still alive. Hmm. Okay, so let me do this. Magic key, I will risk my account. Measure my risk. Risk amount here. I am taking 2% of my position, so I'm going to put I want the risk 2%, just $20. I'm growing my account. That's how I'm growing my account. I'm trying to set up the magic key so that I'll double trade this. Okay, so it says so I will double trade. Okay, so I've added another I take position here. I want to have 3 positions, so that's why I added just close to that place, just above here. So this is where I added another position, and the market does not have an upper wick, which is risky. This is risky, but it is what it is. Yeah, I added another position here. My previous position was here. That's why I am down here. But the second position right now is here. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so I had um I had that resistance here. Let me just put 4 hours so that we get a cleaner. I had a resistance here. I drew it like below the candle, below the candle. So and I have my stop loss just above the resistance zone, and I'm targeting. It's not a 1 day trade. It's actually a swing trade. It is not. I will be holding this if it works in my favor. I'll be holding the trade for a long time. But if it doesn't, then I will. It is what it is. You know. So remember what we're talking about Elliot waves, right? Elliot waves. Yeah. So this is downtrend and this is uptrend. This um did not break structure, did not close below this week. It did not close below this week on on a daily, and it did not close on 4 hour. So I don't know, anything can happen, but yeah, that's pretty what I feel. That's pretty what I feel. And I believe that since the market has been breaking structures here, at least we're supposed to go down, but I don't know if we are supposed to start going down here, and we have a holiday today. We have a holiday today. Yeah, US and Canada. So I don't really like to trade when there are holidays like bank holidays. But Canada have got bank holiday, US have got bank holiday. So anything can happen. Anything can happen. So yeah, this is the trade, and we are so in a big drawdown. I don't know if this trade is going to work. There is a super risky trade, and I'm just going to sit and see her. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Remember, this is a swing trade, and I'll just always, like keep you guys updated on anything that happens on the trade. Anything that happens on the trade. Sorry, guys. Trying to, though it's not good adding to your losses, but I don't know why I'm feeling greedy. I think Elliot Waves is trying to make me greedy, and this candle don't have an upper wick. I'm trying to put on my, I think my magic key is okay, it's still alive. Hmm. Okay, so let me do this. Magic key, I will risk my account. How much am I risking? I'll risk amount here. I am taking 2% of my position, so I'm going to put I want to risk 2%, just $20. I'm growing my account. That's how I'm growing my account. I'm trying to set up the magic key so that I'll double trade this. Okay, so it says so I will double trade. Okay, so I've added another third position here. I want to have three positions, so that's why I added just close to that place, just above here. So this is where I added another position, and the market does not have an upper wick, which is risky. This is risky, but it is what it is. Yeah, I added another position here. My previous position was here. That's why I am down here. But the second position right now is here. Let's see. Let's see. So in my last position was here. Was here. Yeah. So let's see what's going to happen. I think I shouldn't have added to my um position, like to my loss. This is why I have the market broke the supply. So this is what we have. It has pulled all the way, but this is the resistance value. We got red candles here, volume increasing. Um, we've got heavy volume, like increasing volumes here. So I don't know, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Remember, this is a swing trade, and I'll just always, like keep you guys updated on anything that happens on the trade. For everything, like this proves of takes us out. Snow and the snow amount of prayer I can say to make this come down. There's no amount of prayer that I can do to make this come down. To check the volume on this. I want to check the volume on this tiny candle, this tiny red candle. I want to check the volume here. So this is the volume we have. I just want something that will give me more confidence to not to. I don't know, but it's not good to, if it's not working, if your trade is not working, and you're trying to bring in things that will make you believe that the market is going to work. You know, sometimes if the market is trying to go against you, you'll be like, you'll be finding things, you'll be looking for things that will make you believe to us to continue holding this trade when you know that it's not working. I think that's what I'm trying to do, and it's not good. This is the resistance I had. I drew this resistance from the down, from here, straight down, and the market came here. So this is a resistance to me here. This is a resistance to me. I got this resistance from these Elliot waves on a downtrend. This is what happens. Remember, I'll just delete this. On Elliot waves, we've got wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, wave five. If I want to draw my resistance, I draw my resistance from wave one down here. If I want to draw another resistance, I'll draw another resistance from down straight down here. And I would like the market now to come anywhere here and then retest it and then drop. That's what I expect the market to do. You know, like come, retest it and then drop. Okay, so that's why I have my resistance marked from the low of this place straight to here and to this place. So the market has not tested this zone before from this resistance. This is the first time the market is testing this resistance. So, and it is giving me like some kind of confidence that this place could hold. I don't know. I don't know if this is going to hold because it is, we are already in a huge drawdown, and um, I don't know. Let's push the market. Should I close my trade? Well, simple moving average, 50 simple, this is 50 simple moving average. There is supporting of the dynamic, these are called dynamic support and resistances, and it is supporting this price. It's acting as a support to this candle, to this red candle. This is 200 moving average, and this is 50 simple moving average. 50 simple, they are called dynamic support and resistance, the EMAs on the simple moving averages. I'm just trying to get something that's kind of give me more confidence to go to still like to keep avoiding this more. If not, I should be getting out of this trade. Goes 30 minutes saying. There's a possibility that we'll release it because of this demand. Remember, let me represent this with another color. We're trying to fight the buyers here, and I shouldn't be trying to fight the buyers. I shouldn't be fighting the buyers. I shouldn't be fighting the buyers. It's pushing me. This is my stop loss. It's already on my stop loss. And daily. But not yet on my stop loss on daily double. Mm, it's not that far. It's not that far. It's not that far. I think the best thing I'm taking is straight. Not that far from my stop loss. So it's actually unbelievable. I'm trying to respect the resistance. This is a very dangerous trade, but I just wanted to take a risk. I only wanted to take a risk. This is a resistance. The market wants to push off. What if it pushes out and it gets to this place? This supply. That is another thing. That is another thing. If they decide to push more, there's another supply above my stop loss. Four. There's another supply above my stop loss. So another supply above my stop loss. This supply. Four. That's okay. We did not actually get a break of structure, like a larger break of structure on a 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame. We only got a break of structure with a candle close on 1 hour time frame. Expensive. Yeah. Probably. For Africa and have the liquidity. The liquidity. I just took this short because see here, you can see how we are in a, it seems like we are in an uptrend. It seems like we are in an uptrend in 30 minutes, but in 1 hour, let's see what it's showing us. Seems like we are in an uptrend too, but it is not showing this resistance here. So I believe this resistance is supposed to do something. This trade might actually go the wrong way, but it is what it is, man. No matter what happens, it is what it is. And I don't like holding my trade through. I don't like holding trades through Asia session, but because I know Asia session will definitely come to haunt on the stop losses of New York traders. Okay, so and it is what it is, man. It is what it is. I'll keep you guys updated on anything that happens on this trade. But I'm glad I explained everything, like what gave me the confidence to take this trade. I think there isn't much volatility in the market today because of the bank holiday in US and Canada. All right, this is actually a high that the market would like to come. So perhaps we might lose this trade. I might lose this trade, but I think I would, and I have three positions in it, but it is what it is, man. I don't think I would be uh, cutting my losses. Yeah, it's a bad practice, but I don't think I'll be cutting my losses. Yeah, it's a risky trade, and I took it. And yeah, I'll take the responsibilities of anything that happens on this trade. All right. So there you go. I don't know what the market is going to go, but I don't trust Asia session. I don't trust Asia session because definitely Asia session could come here. They could drive the market like the price up to this place. Well, um, I'll just tell you guys how the trade goes. I might probably tweet it or I'll put it on my Instagram post about how the market ended. All right, all right, guys. So that's all I've got on this video, and I hope you like. Okay, guys. So we are here right now, and market is pretty looking cool. So I'll give you guys updated on what happened on the trade, all right? So yeah, I think it's cool that at least we are making the market is going to our favor right now. All right. So remember I was pretty scared about Asia session, but I'm glad Asia session is working just fine right now. All right. Hey guys. So this is pretty where we are on the trade, man. Can you see we broke that demand, man? We broke the demand here and the trade is already here, and we've got we've got two positions here. We're up about it was $250, about $300, and we've we've actually made so what I'm going to do is I think I would close two positions and I will leave one open. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I will close two positions and I will probably leave just one position on, because we are up, we are up, quite a nice amount now. We are just up $239 right now. Remember, we just entered this trade with $19. I was risking just 2% of my position, just 2%. All right, and yeah, since I have three positions open on this trade, I might just close two positions and leave just one open. All right, so let's see. Let's know. We've just got the market is here on a support, and the support is trying to push the market up here, and we've got a demand here, a gap here. So I might probably close two positions and I will leave one open just to secure um the profit that we've got here. All right, and I will close two positions on the first, the second, and I'll my uh and I'll move my stop loss to my entry. Remember, risk management, I'll move my stop loss to my entry. So we are up a nice amount. We were so down yesterday, man. Yeah, like I'm like holding this trade since yesterday. Like it's a swing trade. Remember I said it's a swing trade, and on swing trade you just have to. Man, I was scared that Asia session might actually take us out. Remember, we were just close to the stop loss, and well, it is what it is, and I think I'll be closing uh just one position. Let's see what's happening on the 1 hour. I know that we might actually break this support because this support, the price has been bouncing on it, and I know that we might actually like break this, but uh I'm thinking about closing two positions. I'm thinking about closing two positions and leaving just one position on. Yeah, I think that's what I'm probably going to do. Mm, yeah, okay. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do right now. I don't want it to push up. Yeah, it's pushing back up, and that support, that support. But I actually want to secure some profit. I would actually love to secure some profit. Yeah, that support. Let's see if we've got news here. I'll take this out. I'll take this out. See, let's see, let's see, let's see. I think I should close one, close two, with my stop loss to entry, and then I'll write one. I think that's pretty what I'm going to do. Yeah, I think that's probably what I'm going to do. But I will leave the last position I close, and um, I don't want to get greedy. I think I'm getting greedy right now. I think I'm getting greedy right now. Go on, boy. I think. Yeah, I'll just close two positions and I'll leave one open. That's what I'm going to do. So I'll close two positions. I'll close this position. Ready, great, 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 great. Shots, great. Let's close this. So we have an open week. I don't like Amazon. I close two positions and I'm going to move my stop loss to my entry here. So I've moved my stop loss to my entry and we've got just one position open right now, and I move my stop loss to my entry here. So I left the last position I opened, the last position I opened that I took around here. So I left the last position open and I would love to ride that position because I entered the position right up here and I don't think the market should be able to come back to this place anymore. Yeah, so that's why I did. Um, yeah, so we've got just um $84 right now, and this is actually nice because it has helped me to uh like recover my losses on the losses we've had on this trade. Yeah, I think, yeah, I don't think I'm going to uh like, yeah, I don't think I'm going to move my I don't think I'm going to I don't think I'm going to close half or reduce the lot size that I'm using to trade. I'm going to leave it open like this and we're going to see where the market gets to. All right. So I'm going to write this position and it's a like we don't have even if the market comes to my stop loss, I'm not going to lose any money, right? Even if the market comes to my entry, I'm not going to lose any money because I move my stop loss to my entry price. Yeah, so it's a risk-free trade and I'm going to just see what the market has to do here. All right, guys. So that's all I've got, guys. It's a nice trade today, and it's so beautiful that we recovered from our losses. All right, that's all I've got. Peace and love.